Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, Outcast Services, and this is going to be part 2 of the Blazer body video. We're going to be attempting to put the Blazer body back on the chassis here today. Partner Mike's on his way over, so he can assist me with that. This will be a quick intro so we can get right into it. We're basically going to start off by measuring what our clearance is underneath the chassis or underneath the body now, and then what our high point is on the chassis, and then figure out how high we have to go up in the air. I'll walk you around, show you what we're doing. We're using a jack system in the back, and then we're using 2 engine pickers in the front. You saw a little clip in part 1. If you haven't watched part 1, go back and check it out. It'll get you caught up kind of where we are on this Blazer project. So let's get out into the shop. As soon as partner Mike gets here, we'll get set up. I'll get you guys situated and we'll get under the truck and start measuring and kind of go from there. I'll probably go through a little time lapse of us bringing the body down, because otherwise it's going to be a 4 or 5 hour long video. Hopefully it goes faster than that. So if it goes into time lapse a little bit, just kind of follow along and see the way it turns out. Thanks guys. Let's get out into the shop and get started. Okay, this is underneath the Blazer. This is the low point right here that we're trying to get up to a minimum of what, 35, 36?
Yeah, that's perfect.
So right now it's at 25, so we got to go up, you know, good 10 inches.
Yeah.
You can see the rear we've got supported on a couple set of tires and the floor jack with the 4x4 and our sling. And then we have the 2 engine pickers set up here. I'll show you in the front. See how we came off already? About 6 inches in the back. This is our support bar that it was sitting on. See how this looks. Believe it or not, it's really solid. So, looks sketchy, but it's also got our beam set up here. C-hook so it can't slide off. So now what we'll do is we'll just start jacking up these jacks. He'll do one, I'll do the other, and we'll just bring this body up till we got it where we want, and then we'll bring the back up to match. And then we'll roll the chassis from where it's at through here and hopefully just guide it right underneath there. So stay tuned. When I start moving the chassis, I'll get you guys back in here.
So we go another inch, we should be golden.
All right, cool. Let me walk around, take the safe route. See the back here is up quite a bit, still really, really solid. We don't have a lift, so gotta figure it out. Yeehaw!
So what do we say, another inch?
Yeah, let's get it.
So that's probably 3 pumps.
Yep.
Let me catch up. Okay. Let's measure.
Looks level. Yeah. It's dead level, dude. Wow, we're up there now, aren't we?
Yep. I have a full 35.5 clearance.
Perfect. All right. There's fuel lines. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep coming in. Man, I was headed there like a little bit more, a little bit more.
can hit the hole here. Okay, Tootsie Roll, you're about
Woo, it's about as far back as we're gonna go. We might have to re-rig the back and kind of set it on the chassis and redo it here, folks. I'm gonna show you guys what we got going. So we got the chassis pretty much under there. How far off would you say it is? Pretty close?
What do you want to know?
As far as like the bolts hitting that hole, how far back do you think we're gonna have to go still?
I think I'm gonna drop right in right now.
That'd be great, because see, I gotta check and make sure that the engine's not gonna hit the firewall when we come down. That's my biggest fear. But otherwise we gotta realign the drivetrain. It's close.
See, here's what I was thinking too. We could go up a little bit if we have to here. Okay, up a little bit and put our jack stands under the rear leaf spring supports, one on each side. Up
Okay.
as tight as we can get them. Then that way, as soon as we let off, it lands. Pull it out, go back up just without a tire.
Yep. Okay, yeah, I like
Did
how
we-
close it is.
Yeah, okay, because we won't need to be near as high then.
No way. All right, so let me come forward. That's great news.
Yeah, because my side over here looks like it could be possibly be the low side. I don't know.
And I'm excited that I gets to come forward a little bit, believe it or not. Because that helps me out.
Yeah, you did about an inch.
That helps me off the engine so much. Yeah, I'm liking that, boy. Whoa. Okay guys, you can see here, we got the body back down. Sits on here really nice, man. That was a really good job done right there. That was difficult. Me and partner Mike banged it out, and now we can continue the process on getting this thing all put together. We'll put all the body bolts and nuts and everything on it, but all the rubber mounts are in. So after our little LMC debacle, we're good. Measuring for our 37-inch tires, this thing's gonna be a beast, dude. Huh? Because look at how high up this thing already is. So that's how high this truck sits right now, guys, and that's all the way down on dollies.
From there, it's going to go up another foot.
Damn.
You're going to have a foot of rubber.
I have a monster truck.
It won't be that bad.
No, it won't be bad. It's gonna be nice. It'll,
About as high as the Dodge right there.
yeah, exactly. And that'll fit, those tires will fit the way everything, you know what I mean? It won't make it look so skateboard.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, man. We got lucky too, because it was supposed to rain today. Oh, this was our key checkpoint. Let me show you guys this. Making sure I had enough room. Look at this last coil pack. Not bad. Man. Then all the fuel lines and stuff will come up through here, hit the back of the intake. This is great. So you guys can see that. Wow. Big day for us. It's been a couple years coming. Very cool. All right, guys, I'll do a little exit here with you and we'll wrap this video up. Thank you. Well, guys, we made it. We did it. Man, this is a big day for Outcast. We got the body back on. It's actually sunny out right now and it's raining, but that's not the only miracle that happened today. I tell you what, the body fits on there perfect. All the measuring, everything for the drivetrain worked out phenomenal. I ended up with a 1/2 inch clearance on the closest side, and then the other side I can just about get my whole hand in there. So that's phenomenal. The first day, rigging and everything probably took us about 5-6 hours to get it and actually get a game plan that was going to work for us. And then unfortunately we didn't have the body mount, so we had to shut it down. It waited about a week. It took about 7 days actually to get the proper body mounts, and fortunately those went right in. So that's all great news, man. It was very hectic there for a second. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty intense working with partner Mike. Just, it's sketchy, you know what I mean? We're using these jacks and everything's just hydraulics. There's really at some point nothing keeping it from just giving way and giving out. So we really did our best to try to stay clear of it. Besides having to get under there and kind of measure a little bit, just because we had to know if we had enough clearance. So all in all, it turned out phenomenal. I'm super excited about this, man. Like, honestly, we've probably been game planning for the body to go back on for at least the last 2.5-3 months, as I finished up a few of the things that I had to do, like the cross member and stuff, before we could actually put the body back on. A lot of work to go, a lot of electrical wiring. Now I got to hook up all the fuel system. We got to continue the brake system and get the brake booster kit out. We got to get a mock-up exhaust on there, run all the sensors. I mean, all the dash kit, the Holley Sniper, the full complete system on that. I mean, everything from the fuel pump wiring, the sending unit wiring, the Holley Sniper intake with the throttle body and all the linkage there. We got to do the fuel rails, fuel injectors, and then hook up the Terminator X kit and start to get it to actually run, and that'll be another huge video for us. Sorry guys, I can't stop turning and looking at it. It's right here. You guys saw the walk around, man. It's pretty cool. We're gonna actually get it wrapped up because it's supposed to rain here the next couple days. So I'm gonna end the video with that. Thanks again. Hit like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. See ya.